يرد الله به خيرا يفقهه في الدين.
Dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I wanted to speak on the topic, practice makes a man perfect. Alhamdulillah, last time I speak on how significant is to learn English language. But the question is that how to learn English language. The answer is that practice makes a man perfect. It means that when we practice, when we exercise something, we become the perfect of that. Very simple example of our native language. We learn that perfectly because of practicing that, not because of parroting the grammatical rules, not because of parroting words and meanings. It never happens anywhere in any native language. The similar could be the case with any foreign language. If we create the environment of speaking and writing, it happens mostly that we understand that learning a lengthy part of grammar, to write it, to discuss it, to parrot it, means to learn any language. But the reality opposes that. Practice means to learn any language. Yes, for a foreigner, it will be good if he is introduced, if he is taught any structure only in the way that he could know that this is a particular structure and this is used for this. It should happen only one time throughout the period of learning grammar, not more than that. For example, if we teach this and we say that this means ye, and if something about which we are saying this is singular, so we will say this is, and after that we will add a or an. Just after this much definition, introduction of this part of grammar, we should ask the student to speak. This is a pen. This is a mobile. This is a table. This is a chair. This is a wall. This is a purse. This is a shirt. This is a cap. This is a man. This is a student. This is a teacher. This is a leader. This is a girl. this is a woman, this is a man, this is a key, this is a door, this is a lock, this is a glass, this is a tube light, this is a button, and so on. So when a child or a learner make hundreds of sentences after this, he will definitely know that after this, for hai in Urdu is come, and before a singular come, and he will enjoy speaking, he will enjoy writing. That's all. Even if the rule is not introduced, not explained, but the teacher speaks and he makes his gesture, he said, this is a pen, this is a mobile, this is a table, this is a key, this is a button, this is a chair, this is a cap, this is a shirt, this is a trouser, this is a slipper, this is a shoe, and ask the students to copy. He will automatically come to know that after this is will come, and if we are adding anything, then if it is singular, then a will come. Then we should provide vocabulary. For example, 100 names of objects. We put these objects' names in front of him or in the classroom, and then we should say to him, speak, this is a button, this is a book, this is a dictionary, this is a pen, this is a teacher, this is a plate, this is a spoon, this is a bread, this is a banana, this is a chocolate, like this. Within half an hour, the grammar of this and is and are will be just like as he had learnt many years before. So, to learn a language should be a fun, should be the part of practice. If we are introducing, we should introduce only one time and just create the environment of practice, speaking, writing, speaking, writing. If we are giving environment, creating environment, then an infant can learn the language as we learn our own native language. Even if it is not a native language, but environment is given, the teacher speaks English and the students are asked to speak and frame the sentences, small children can grasp very soon. A 3-year-old child can speak while he doesn't know the names of the tenses, the names of the structures. For example, a child who lives with his father and he or she is only 3-year-old, 4-year-old, but whenever it comes to have food, father says, "Come, have food. Take this bread. Take this piece of bread. Take this biscuit. Take tea. Have lunch. Have dinner. Have breakfast. then the child will speak the same automatically. While he doesn't know that what is the grammar of take and what is the grammar of have, what is object, what is subject. In our native language, the reality is that we don't know subject, object, noun, pronouns, but we speak as it is. The same should be the method of teaching a foreign language. That we should write, we should speak by our gesture, by our environment. Then the things will be 50 times easier than they are today. I think this much will be enough to enlighten the way to learn a language. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.